a real family home. It's beautiful, and
I'm so happy. That's so
good shit. What a fucking muppet. Good.
Pointing at that railway bridge, and if you look at the pictures there, that water is right up the level of that bridge again. I have to say, it gives you chills.
To be fixed, so it's a bit of work to be done. But the main thing is whether the structural integrity of the terminal is sound, and from what we can see, they've held up pretty well.
And that's what that's
because virtually every single suburb in the city has had some form of pump damage, some from river flooding and some from creek flooding. So we've got essentially a citywide clean-up to do, and we're gearing up for that now.
curbside collections will be back.
Fucking
They'll be more regular than once every 2 years.
Seriously. Well, this one's
concern, and that's where their reaction springs from.
While the president claims the worst
of the
COVID pandemic is over.
Don't worry about the red light.
I think
Where the fuck are you going?
Can you truck there somewhere? I can hear it like in the ID.
Fuck me drunk. What the fuck are you doing? You fucking idiot.
久仰久仰，你找秀才有事儿？你是女秀才吗？
Right there, that's why. I'm not allowed to go into those origins as a thoroughfare. Solid line, fuckstick. Pick a lane, any lane, as long as it's only one.
He says we're going the wrong way. Oh, he's drunk. How would he know where we're going? Yeah, how would he know? Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Believe that? With a dog, a kid in a...
This guy has nowhere to go if something goes wrong.
What an absolute bastard.
Lady, why don't you go get yourself screwed? And do you a lot of good.
Whoa, yeah! Fucking smart motherfuckers.
No chance.
A kilo of what? Of coke?
A key. He wants a key.
Key to the house.
Oh, yeah. That's all. That gets terms and conditions. Makes it very difficult.
I don't hold the keys. There's somebody. There's a tie there.
Yeah, but he can't. I'm sorry, Adam. He can't. It's just one of those things. It's annoying, I know. But they're designated.
I've never tried. Like when you say can't, I don't know. Like I've never really tried to flex. Should I flex? What do you like? Lost frequencies this morning here at Kiss FM. You're on the air. Kyle, Jackie. Morning, everyone.
What the fuck?
Today, membership fees apply. See website for details. You point at old furniture, it disappears. Point at a broken appliance, it disappears.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
This one's for you, Scotty. Wow. What in the fuck? Oh, motorcycle.
That was a motorbike.
Ouch. Ouch. That's gonna hurt. Oh.
No, she's perfectly fine. Single vehicle accident, I think.
Yeah, not the fact that What is this Porsche doing? Just turn left from the middle lane. Dumbass.
You dick!
the Rabbitohs in a Golden Point thriller in round 2 of the NRL. Field goal from South's fullback Latrell Mitchell on the scores of 14-all before his Melbourne counterpart Barry Pappenhausen.
You're going to get mine. Where are you going to get mine? Fucking idiots.
Craig Bellamy says he
Fucking
didn't even
idiots.
realise the kick was successful.
Jesus Christ.
Didn't look like a real effective kick to me, so he didn't look like.
Good stop, mate.
Cocaine's a hell of a drug.